Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix any Wi-Fi is not connecting problem. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to fix Wi-Fi is not connecting problem. First click on this Wi-Fi bar, then click on connect and click on this Wi-Fi bar and you can see this. I will connect. You can see this type of devices are there cannot connect to this network. How to solve it? This guys very easy and simple method. First click on this start, then click on this settings. You can see this setting is open. Yes, you can see setting open. Then click on this network and internet. Wait guys, you can see this type of interface not connecting. Then click on this tube soap. Wait till all processing done. Then select all network operator Wi-Fi or you can select all things. You can connect all network, you can connect only Wi-Fi or this. I will set all network connect. Then click on this next. Wait till all process done. Then apply to fix. Click on it. You can see here connecting name is there. Then close the tube. That's it. You can see I will connect the Wi-Fi. You can see here. You can see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.